origami fortune teller. So let's begin. And you're going to need a square piece of paper. First, you're going to fold the paper in half. Then you're going to open it back up and fold it in half on the other side. Then you're going to open it back up, and now we have this, and we're going to fold this side into the corner, but we're going to do the same thing on all 4 sides. So we're going to fold this into the corner, this into the corner, this into the corner, and this into the corner. Now you're going to have this, and you're going to need to flip it to this side. And you're going to fold it into the corner too. And you're going to do it on all 4 sides again. Then you're going to flip it over again, and you're going to have these things. And you're going to first fold this in half. Fold the other side in half. And then bend it like this. After you have this, you're going to take these little things out. So now you have an origami fortune teller. Thank you for watching. Bye!